In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an AI text generation node in Gumloop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a simple, reusable AI writing step inside a Gumloop flow so you can generate text on demand. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Gumloop website. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your personal dashboard. This is your home base for creating and managing flows. Take a second to get familiar with the layout. We'll be working from here. Now, look to the top right of the dashboard and click Create Flow. This opens a fresh canvas where you can build an automated workflow, also called a pipeline. Think of the canvas as a chain of nodes, each one performing a specific task and handing its output to the next. On the left-hand side of the canvas, find the plus sign and click it to add your first node. A panel will appear with different categories of building blocks. Choose core nodes. These are the foundational nodes that most flows use, and they're a great starting point. Within core nodes, look for the option related to using AI. Click Using AI to access the nodes that tap into text generation. From here, select Ask AI. This node is designed to take a prompt and return a generated response, which makes it perfect for writing, summarizing, or brainstorming inside your flow. With the Ask AI node added to the canvas, it's time to write your prompt. Clear, specific instructions produce the best results. For example, you can use a prompt like, write a short blog introduction about bad topic. Requirements: friendly tone, 100-150 words, easy to understand. Notice the double curly braces around topic. That's a variable placeholder. It lets your flow adapt to different inputs without rewriting the prompt. You can pass a topic into the flow later, and the AI will tailor the introduction automatically. Finally, configure the output. In the node's output settings, give the result a clear name so it's easy to reference elsewhere in the flow, such as AI text or blogage intro. Make sure the output captures the full response from the AI. If there are options for formatting or choosing a specific field, select the plain text response so you can feed it into the next step of your pipeline whenever you expand this flow. That's it. You've opened Gumloop, created a new flow, added the Ask AI node from core nodes, written a precise prompt with a variable, and configured the output so it's ready for reuse. You now have a reliable AI text generation step you can plug into larger automations.